Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk diabetes with Nkiruka. And today, I'm sure you guys are tired of me. I'm always asking and answering questions. So today's question is type 1 diabetes genetic or autoimmune? Oh, this is one of the most common questions that people ask when they or a loved one is diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. So in this video today, I'm breaking down the real causes of type 1 diabetes, and I'm going to separate the facts from the fiction. Please do stick around till the end of this video. So what you would learn if you stick around to the end of this video will actually change how you understand this lifelong condition known as type 1 diabetes. So let's kick off with what it is really. I'm sure you are probably tired of hearing this definition, but it will not stop me from defining this autoimmune disease. So type 1 diabetes is actually a chronic autoimmune disease where the immune system mistakenly attacks the insulin producing cells in the pancreas. As a result, our body cannot regulate blood sugar, and this now leads to a high glucose level that actually requires a lifelong management. The next question is, what triggers this? Is it our genes or something else? So this is a very valid question. Now let's delve into the autoimmune side of type 1 diabetes. In nearly all cases, persons living with type 1 diabetes have certain antibodies or markers that show the immune system is attacking itself. So these antibodies can appear years before diagnosis. Sometimes even in early childhood, we got like environmental factors like viral infection or gut health that might trigger like this immune response in someone who is genetically vulnerable. Let's move over and have a look at the genetic side of things. So we've got genes like the HLA-DR and HLA-DRQ and HLA-DP. They are strongly associated with increased risk of developing type 1 diabetes. So if you have a family member with type 1 diabetes, your risk is actually higher. But here is the key. Genetics actually loads the gun, but the immune system pulls the trigger. Even identical twins who share like 100% of their DNA only have a 30 to 50% chance of both developing the disease. So this explains why I developed type 1 diabetes and my identical twin did not develop diabetes. So let's talk about which one matters the more. So is type 1 more autoimmune or more genetic? The short answer actually is type 1 is primarily autoimmune disease. Genetics increases your risk, but the immune system is actually what causes the damage. So understanding this distinction is quite crucial for early detection and prevention research. If you know that you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health content on my channel. Let's Talk Diabetes with Nkiruka. Drop a nice wee comment below. Do you or someone you know live with type 1 diabetes? I would love to hear your story. My story is a very exciting one, and I'm not bothered or unhappy about living with type 1 diabetes. I think it's given me a second chance to live better. So if you live with type 1 diabetes, have that positive dispensation or attitude towards what you live with. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.